Hello everyone, this is Cosmin. Welcome back to our how-to section of LIVRESQ. Today's how-to is how to edit a picture. So, how to, let's see, let's share my screen. Share. Okay, let's start. This time we start the section. It's enough for our demo. Let's close the default. Okay, so I start the new section. Let's add okay, let's use the default cell and put in it one image. So practically to work with images, you can either insert images from the content, or you can insert galleries of images. Okay, let's show you how this works. So I click view. I have this one picture here, and here it's a gallery where you can add whatever number of pictures, and of course you can edit all of them. I'll delete the second gallery for this time, because I want to show you how to work and edit the picture. So I will click on your container, click change image. I get this image prepared from my computer, so I click open. It's loaded here. Now I can click on the other button, which is edit image. Edit image brings me a lot of tools to work with my image. Let's start from the right. I have this resize, which I can do by working with the options on the left panel, or by dragging it with my mouse. So I use my mouse for this time. Okay, let's say I made this picture a little bit bigger. I click apply. Then I go to another option where are stickers. Okay, stickers, let's put a happy face. Click, I get it here. I can work with it. I can move it wherever. Let's make it a little smaller and put it here. It's important that you can work with items on your image very easily, and after you put them, it's not like a standard authoring where it's applied. You can still edit whatever you add later on. I'll show you how. Okay, let's go to the text. Let's put that text. Let's make the text red. Okay, and bold. Okay, click. Okay, to edit, you double click on it. Let's name it butterfly. Butterfly, for obvious reasons. Okay, this is a butterfly. Okay, let's get back to the stickers part. See, I can drag whatever I put it on my screen. I can drag even this one, butterfly. So this is a very cool feature that enables you to work with your elements on your picture. As long as you didn't click save, you can change their position, add, delete, whatever. Okay, let's add the text. I added the butterfly. Let's add, what else? A line. Okay, let's add a freehand line. Let's make it green. I don't know why, but there you go. Some green lines. There you go. Okay. You have the cropping part, where you can cut a part of your picture. Let's say I want to cut a square, but make it not this one. Okay, let's cut it. Okay, let's cut like this. Click apply. Okay. What else? Let's add. You can. Okay, so you can put filters, grayscale, invert colors. Okay, this is quite cool. Let's use this one. No. Let's click sepia, sharpen. So we got all kind of cool filters. You have this crop function I already used. You have the flip. You can flip the butterfly. Okay. You can rotate your picture with a number of degrees. Okay, I showed you to draw the shapes. The stickers, let's put okay, let's put an arrow here as well. This is a butterfly. Okay, let's say this is a butterfly. And make this red. Okay, I click save. Okay, I got some error, I don't know why. Let's click save again. Okay, now it worked, probably an internet glitch. Anyway, so I got this. I click back on my section, my edited picture. There you go. So this is how to this was how to edit a picture. So you saw kind of cool features from resize, reshape, to cut, draw on it, put emoticons or things like this. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be here at the next how-to section of LIVRESQ.